Already my pimple is making more of an entrance than me. So I wanted to do a video where making myself over because I feel like I look like a potato and it's my period, and I don't usually make any videos during my period at all, and it's day number 3. Don't feel the greatest. I also have a pimple on my face, like right over here. It won't go away. Skin has been so clear, you guys. So whenever I get one pimple, it just stays there, and it's just the only one on my face right now. So this video is sponsored by Victoriaswig.com, and they sent me this really awesome unit. I haven't styled it or applied it or really installed it to my head yet, but it's got a fake scalp underneath it, which is so awesome. Y'all can see it right under there. So you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots or anything. It's already put in for you. And I was so happy because every single wig that I get, you have to bleach the knots. This also came with the sewn in elastic band, so you don't have to do anything with that either. And this is a 22-inch, 150% density wig. I'm gonna do my makeup at the very end of this video. I'm gonna style this wig first and let you guys know the specs of it. I have been doing more sponsorship videos for wigs more recently because I will be going to Japan month after next, so I'm just trying to save up for the trip as well as get all of these videos out of the way before I have to leave, because I actually don't have that much time left, and this is just the perfect video to show y'all how I make myself feel more alive and just feel better on a day where I don't feel good. So I'm going to start off with applying this unit. So I'm gonna have to just start off with my Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray. And then I'm also going to be going in and just kind of gelling down my leave out before I lay this wig down. And doing this just makes everything look so much more clean, so that you don't have just any like random hairs just kind of out there like that. Now for this top portion, you want to make sure that you have your rat tail comb ready, and then once you do the freeze spray, you're just gonna lay everything down. So I did the baby hairs, and now I'm gonna just go in I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. I'll be right back. Over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, know that I got outplayed. So I just finished straightening this unit, you guys. Even just putting on my wig, I feel 10 times better than before. Usually if I don't have my hair done, or if it's like just in a wrap or something, I feel not as put together. Yeah, this hair again is from Victoriaswig.com. They have really awesome units. I like how they have the invisible knots and the fake scalp going on here. So with the invisible knots, you don't have to worry about seeing any of the black dots here. So this is how the hair is looking, and the fake scalp is right underneath it. So like how it already came in with an elastic band in the back, because that is hard to come by. Whenever companies put those in the back, I just feel so grateful, because I usually go to Joann's Fabric and buy a long thing of elastic just to make my own bands, which still works, only costs about $2, but eventually you run out and you have to go buy some more of it. So it just saved me a lot of time, honestly. The hair has already been washed, very light wave, it's barely even there. This hair is made to be straight. Like the length for me is more of a, it feels like a 24. Like it goes super long. I did have to kind of customize the lace part in the front and cut some more for it to fit my head better. But other than that, it's been really good. With this one also, you don't have to wear a wig cap underneath it. I always do because I have braids underneath and I just hate for my braids to just be left without anything covering them. I think that the wig caps protect my hair from the wigs itself, so that's why I go ahead and do that. It's not required for you to wear a wig cap with this because it already has the fake scalp built underneath. It also has combs on here and here on both sides. Also, if your hair is really short, you don't need to wear cornrows underneath the wig either, but my hair is super big, so I have to cornrow my hair specifically. But if your hair is too short, this is a wig where you don't have to worry about doing that. You can just pull your hair back if you need to, or if you have a really short little fro, this is also a good wig for that as well. Also, I have a coupon code for you guys. If you use the code MA15, you get to save $15 off on the website. I'm gonna let you guys know the price of. Also, I want to say that the elastic band that's built into this wig is removable, so you don't actually need it. All right, so because this is a fake scalp wig and it's a 22-inch, and it also has the invisible knot at the very front of it, this is going to be $421.78, and you do have the coupon code for $15 off of the wig. It is a little bit pricey, but again, it really depends on what you're wanting for your unit specifically. Usually most wig companies don't have that combination. This is a really good option for that, and it is a lot of hair. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my makeup for this next portion of the video. I've already went through all the specs of this wig. My eyeshadow and also my freckles and everything else just kind of distracts away from the pimple that I have right here, and feel actually really good. I feel good enough to go take some pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down to this unit from Victoriaswig.com. And remember, you can use my coupon code MA15 and get $15 off of your purchase if you wanna go ahead and check it out. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.